Hi, we are the Frain Group service technicians who cycled your Cozzoli single head liquid filler. Before powering up the machine, it is recommended that you read the manual in its entirety. A manual is placed with the machine when it ships. The machine is currently set for single phase, 60 cycle, 120 volts. We recommend a field service technician to assist you with the startup and training on your machine. Please contact our field service manager to meet your field service requirements. The stainless steel stands are not included in the purchase order. They are just included for the video purposes.